Hello, this is the first assignment for the AMCA students, and we're going to set up a basic page. We've just did an FTP download, so this is the next phase of what you're going to do with that file. So let's have a quick look at the specifications. We're going to create an 8.5 by 11 inch document. Margins are going to be 1/2 inch. You're going to download the image off the FTP, which we just did. You're going to put the image on the page and the text file with your name on the page, save the file, package it, and then put it back in the downloads folder on the FTP. Okay, so that's what we're going to try and do right now. So I close the specifications. One of the first things you should do is under InDesign, this is how you change your settings to inches. So InDesign, Preferences, Units and Increments. If they're set at points, switch them back to inches. If they're already at inches, you're good to go. Then we're going to say New Document and 8 1/2 inches with margins of 1/2 inch all the way around. So we say OK to that. The next thing we want to do is place the file that we just downloaded. So we're going to say Place File. And then go locate it, so navigate to where you've placed it. Most of you have put it on the desktop. So click Desktop, A1 Supporting Files, Printer Photo, and Open. What you'll notice is that my mouse basically has a little preview of what the file we're going to place. So you can just put it on the margins and hit Place. Okay. The next part of the assignment is to get your text tool. Click and drag open, and then type your name. Feel free to come up and play with the font, anything you like, and the size. Make it creative if you like. And basically that's all I want you to do. So we have a photo on the page and we have text on the page, which are two of the basic elements of any design for print. Next thing we have to do is save this document. So we're going to say Save As. We have our naming convention, which we've already discussed. So AMCA _ A1 _ last name. Where are you going to save this file? For now, you can go to the desktop and say Save. Now that it's been completed here, I want you to print a copy of it. So you're going to hit File, Print. You are going to select your printer, which is in 3142. Make sure that it says letter paper, scale to fit, and away you go. Next stage is you're going to package this. And I think we've talked a bit about packaging. If we haven't, basically what packaging is going to do for you is take this InDesign file, grab the font that you used here and your image and put it in one neat little package so you can submit it to a print shop or to an instructor for marking. This has to be done at the end of every single project you do in the print program. So package. It's going to give you the summary of what the fonts are, where the image is, what type of image it is, like a TIFF in this case. So just say package. Ignore this field. It's just giving more instructions. We don't need that for this program. Now it's asking you, where would you like this? The desktop is fine. Okay? It's going to save it as this and put it inside of a folder for you. So say package, and away it goes. So once this is created, let's come back out here and see what exactly that package did. So here's your packaged folder. If I open it up, inside of it, I see a nice little neat package that printers require. It's the font that you used for your name. That will be different for everyone. It's the photo that you actually downloaded in supporting files. And then your main InDesign file and a PDF and an IDML, which is used if I want to save this application backwards to a lower version, that is. So just to confirm it's the right one, you can open it up, have a look. If it is, the last stage is basically upload this to FTP. So like in the last video, you're going to open up your fetch www.appliedartsnewmedia.nscc.ca W0042690 and put in your password. Program Dropboxes. Waterfront Campus is where we are. AMCA is your program. I'm the instructor for this one. This time we're going to go to the Dropbox. So you're not going to see this, although this is my current view, so I have different administration rights. But basically what you're going to do is the same drag and drop, only this time you're uploading a file. So click, drag, and drop, and you'll see it getting uploaded. And then your file will disappear from here. Then your file is uploaded to FTP. Feel free to ask me to make sure that your file gets there the first couple of jobs, just so you get familiar with moving files back and forth using Fetch. Thanks.